Hi, I'm Taylor with Imperium Dynamics, and I'm here to introduce you to Imperium 365 Remote Assist. This solution combines Dynamics 365 customer service and remote assist to improve remote collaboration and service management. It streamlines issue resolution with real-time notifications, mixed reality support, and automation through Microsoft Teams and Power Automate. The platform streamlines case management by enabling teams to assign, track, and resolve issues remotely. Customizable remote sessions can be easily scheduled, and one-time meeting links are shared via email or SMS for quick access. Session logs, recordings, and detailed notes are automatically added to the case timeline, ensuring full visibility and clear documentation of the troubleshooting process. Notifications keep both customers and teams informed throughout the resolution journey. Real-time mixed reality collaboration allows teams to guide customers or vendors through complex issues with visual annotations and step-by-step instructions. All features are accessible through Microsoft Teams or the D365 Remote Assist app, offering seamless collaboration on both desktop and mobile devices. Remote sessions speed up issue resolution and costs. Mixed reality tools enable real-time, hands-on support. Automated updates improve transparency, while visual annotations provide clear, step-by-step guidance. Experience the power of Remote Assist today. Schedule a call with our Customer Success Manager to discover how our solution can enhance collaboration, streamline case management, and boost operational efficiency.